Hi, this is Jay with Jantech, and this is good stuff to know. I commonly get calls from customers saying, "Hey Jay, I need a price on a new UPS system." And I ask them, "Well, what's wrong with your existing system?" Many times I get the same response: "It's old." Well, my thoughts on replacing a UPS fall under three different sets of criteria. I'm going to ask three questions that will determine whether or not it makes sense to replace that UPS. Question one is the system reliable? If it's unreliable, obviously good justification to replace the system. The second question would be, what's the cost to operate and maintain that system? Meaning power usage, maintenance cost, etc. The only criteria outside of a high operating cost, meaning it's just burning way too much utility power, or B, the maintenance cost has gotten way out of hand, would be if, let's just say hypothetically, you had a larger system, 100 kVA system, and your load's down to 20 kVA now, and you don't anticipate that load growing anytime in the future. And the third question is, are parts available for the system? As long as the equipment's reliable, it's cost effective to operate and maintain, and parts are readily available for that system, there's really no need to replace that equipment. I would save your money until such time that one of those factors becomes justification for a new equipment purchase. The function of those systems have not changed over the years. They're designed to give you clean, reliable, uninterrupted power. And unless there's some specific feature that you need in a new system that your old system doesn't offer, I would say hold off on an equipment replacement. That's just food for thought.